What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Liz and I make videos every Tuesday, Thursdays and Sundays, so I hope you stick around. Today's video is going to be about this new trend that's happening on Instagram or YouTube also that I've seen. I think I saw Huda Beauty do it. So this new trend is called yoga skin. This makeup artist on Instagram, she posted a video of how she did this look calling it yoga skin, and what it is just it makes your face look very like luminous and hydrated and beautiful glowy skin, and that's why I guess they call it yoga skin. So I kind of wanted to recreate that look and see how it goes. I have combination skin, so I don't know how it's gonna go for my skin, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try this look and I'm gonna see how it is, and then maybe we can rock it. Like, you never know, especially in this winter cold day that I don't need my skin to be dry as fuck anymore. She used like 4 products and I have none of those products, so I kind of just took products that were kind of similar. They're drugstore and then they're a little on the cheaper side, so I'm gonna be using those products and recreating that look. So if you guys are interested and maybe you guys have these products at home, you can make your own yoga skin. So if you guys are interested in how to do the yoga skin or watch me fail at doing the yoga skin tutorial, just stay tuned. I'm gonna put this hair away just so it doesn't get in the way when I'm doing things. I'm gonna do my eyebrows and then I'll be right back. I'm gonna first cover up a little bit of my imperfections because I don't want to throw all that on and I'm still gonna see like uneven pigmentation on my face. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna maybe like a little bit of concealer around the places. So I'm gonna take my nice NYX concealer. Okay, so I'm gonna take my NYX concealer, and this is my NYX HD Studio Photogenic. I'm just gonna put a little bit on. I'm not gonna put that much on just a little bit here, here, around the lips. Another thing I like to use as a corrector is my Studio Finish Concealer Duo by MAC. I'm in the shade NW25 and NC30, and I'm gonna be taking the one right here. As you can see, I'm not putting it all over the face. I'm just putting it where it needs some covering, like my under eyes and around the nose and around the mouth, because that's where I have, you know, a different color, and we want it all to be even. Okay, after that I'm just gonna spray myself with some MAC's Fix Plus. It's gonna prime my face and give it more of a luminous look. First of all, you want to make sure that your hands are clean, because we are going to be putting it all in our hands, because that's exactly what she did. And she put everything in her hands and then she's put it on the person's face. I don't know if you guys want to do that or you guys can use something else, but I'm going to do step by step of what she did, just using different products. Okay, so the first product I'm going to use is going to be the Wetnwild Photo Focus Foundation, and it looks like this in the color Cream Beige. So I'm going to take a little bit of that. I'm going to put my hand here and I'm going to take a little bit of foundation, a fair amount. Hopefully I didn't do that much. I'm going to take my e.l.f. booster drops. I'm going to take my Wet n Wild Dewy Lumineux face primer, and this has already a nice little tint to it, and put a nice little drop. And last but not least, I am going to take my Illuminating Veil from Danessa Myricks. After we do this, we're just gonna put it on my lips too, because I'm gonna put a little bit of shine around my lips, and I'm putting it all over my neck as well. What I'm gonna use next is, she used a cream blush from e.l.f. For this look, I'm going to use a nice little nude lipstick. It's from ColourPop and it's in the color Appy. Now, I don't know if I should add more. I'm probably going to put a little bit of, I'm going to put a little bit of Fix Plus after that. And I'm going to take a little bit of highlighter and just highlight on my cheekbones and see how this look is going to go with highlight. I do gotta say that my face looks very luminous, but I don't know if it's because of the products that I used that it doesn't look wet enough, or maybe I didn't put enough on my face to make it like that wet yoga skin look. I am really feeling it, so I'm gonna put a little bit more of these drops and kind of just rub it against whatever it's left here and just put more. My best. I'm gonna be using Enlight by Danessa Myricks, and it's this one. It's this nice little highlight right here. It's a little gold and it's a powder highlight, and I'm just gonna take just gonna put it all over on the forehead. I'm gonna put a little bit on my eyelids just to make it very glowy. I didn't do much on my eyes. I only put mascara and I put a little bit of gold highlighter on my eyelid. Okay guys, so this is the final look of the yoga skin. I tried using the products that I thought that were a little similar to them. They were more on the drugstore, and also one of the products, I will link it down below. I bought it at IMATS, I believe. I think it was IMATS. I'm gonna see if I can find their Instagram and I'm gonna put it in the description box. They have really good highlighters, and it's, you know, they have highlighters that are liquid that you can put on your face, and they have powder highlighters as well. Another thing is I used the products that I thought that were similar to that, like I mentioned, and I just felt like I needed a little bit more of an oily finish. I don't know if it was just because of the beginning, because at the beginning it looked really liquidy, and then towards the end it just started like, you know, it just sucked up, like my skin sucked up everything, and it doesn't look dry, that's for sure. You can tell that it's a little bit of, it's glow. I'm kind of feeling this look, like I didn't really need to go with the sponge. I didn't really need to do much. I just went with my hands, and I would probably use it for like a night out that I have to look very glowy and luminous, or maybe for, you know, when I'm on vacation, you know, the sun is just gonna hit your face and everything's gonna glow and it's gonna look really nice and pretty. I wouldn't use it for an everyday thing just because there's so many products going in already, and my skin might break out, or, you know, it's because it's gonna be very oily, and my skin is already oily. I wouldn't use that many oily products. If you guys have dry skin, then I totally recommend this because your face will look luminous. And actually, I'm gonna start using these products and incorporate them in my clients' makeup routine, because for those that have dry skin, because it looks really nice. I love it. I like the finish. I like how glowy and refreshed you look. So yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was a quick tutorial, I know. It looks very glowy, so I'm happy about that. I hope you guys liked it. Please don't forget to like the video, comment down below if you have any other questions, any other requests, or you just want to leave some love. And don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Again, I'm gonna be doing a lot of giveaways coming up, so I will suggest you guys stick around. Don't forget to hit the notification bell if you guys want to be notified of when I'm posting the videos, but most likely my schedule is gonna be Tuesday, Thursdays, and Sundays, so do stay tuned. And feel free to share this video, and if you guys end up doing this look, don't forget to tag me on Instagram. I'm gonna leave my Instagram down below, and it's at It's Lisbeth's Life. My Twitter is the same thing, and my Facebook, that's a different story. But I'll definitely see you guys next time. Bye.